All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017. Let's back this bad boy up here. Beautiful 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof with short wheelbase mid-roof with only 17,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks. It's got power mirrors, backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. If I'm not mistaken, it just has some dents on the roof. Let's go real quick. Get back into this bow. Front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel, and your tire thread is. Get my stuff out. Well. Tire thread is at 830 seconds. This door's got a couple of chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some more over here. The rest of the quarter here looks pretty good. It seems to have some dings. 1, 2, 3. It looks like from the inside out. Got some chips here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiple chips here in this on this quarter here. Up there we do have a dent. Hey Edgar, did you get me the ladder? Up there we do have a dent. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel, and your tire thread is just at 730 seconds. Let's double check that. Just at 630 seconds. Got my man here, Edgar. Got my man here, Edgar, putting my my ladder together. I can nip this in the butt right now. You can see it does have a dent up here. 10 or more inches, going that way. And actually, dent all the way across, as you can see. There you go, folks. Boom. Dent. It's a roofer, as my boss calls it. All right, let's jump into this truck. First, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump in here real quick. Turn it on. All right. Turn this bad boy on. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details there. Get your AM FM CD player, AM FM stereo system right there. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow! Got your instrument cluster here, and what that looks like. You see no lights on. Only issues, your mileage of 17,265. Alright. Keep it moving. Turn on the lights. Boom. Coming around. We look good here. These doors look good. All the way up there. I love the way this new LED look. It really brightens up the entire interior. Looks great. Likewise here, open this door up. Boom. Doors swing out. As you can see, this is what it looks like from the back. Boom. All right. Inside it looks good. Your wheel wells aren't too banged up. Now that one has a little banging right there in the corner. The rest of it looks pretty good. This is one of your doors and what that looks like. This panel looks good. Likewise here on this panel, that looks nice. And the door looks good too. Not all beat up or anything. Another dent here with some paint off, about 3.5, 4 inches. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This sliding door looks good. Boom. This is the interior. Very nice. Very nice. Got a dent here in the sliding door. Paint off about 2 to 3 inches. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And your front fender looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. All right, folks. Lights are working. Car is running. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is the 2017 Ford Transit, the T-250 mid-roof. As you can see, it does have damages on the roof. That's the most damage it has is on the roof. The rest of it looks pretty damn good. Thank you and happy bidding.